grade readers. So yesterday, we learned how we can take a quick look through a text, make predictions in a text, and how we can maybe find the overall idea when we read a text. Does anyone remember what that was called?
Skimming.
Very good. We learned to skim through a text and find the maybe overall idea of that text. Today, we're going to find how we can maybe scan through the text to find specific information. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So let's look at the red fox, okay? So this is a pretty long paragraph, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. And I don't really feel like reading through all of that in order to answer these questions, right? So scanning is a really helpful tool in order to find a specific answer to a question. So let's look. Where had the red fox chosen to nestle? Well, I'm going to scan through this paragraph to find the answer to this question. So when we scan, we want our finger. So pretend this is my pointer finger, okay? So we're going to have our pointer fingers and we're going to have our eyes ready to go when we scan. We're going to go left to right, okay? Left to right when we scan through each line. So let's read this again. Where had the red fox chosen to nestle? Well, what's a key word that we can use to look for and to scan for in our text? What about nestle? Nestle. Well, let's see if we can find that word when we scan. So remember, scanning left to right with our eyeballs, okay? So I want you to watch me as I do this. I don't see nestle in that line, so I'm going to go to my next line. Oh, I see nestled. Nestled in a small hollow beneath a hickory tree. Does this answer my question though? I'm going to go back to my question and reread it again. Where had the red fox chosen to nestle? Well, he decided to nestle in a small hollow beneath a hickory tree. So that answers my question. Okay, so let's try another one. How many young kits did the red fox have? How many? Well, I'm thinking how many kind of goes to a number. I'm going to be looking for a number of how many kits the red fox had. So when I scan through my paragraph, I'm going to be looking for a number. So again, I'm going to use my pointer finger and I'm going to go left to right with my finger and my eyes when I scan the text. So watch me again. There is no number in that line, so I'm going to go to the next one. Three. I found the number. The 3 young kits were warm and comfortable. But I want to make sure I'm answering the right question, so I'm going to go back and reread this again. How many young kits did the red fox have? Well, the red fox, the 3 young kits were warm and comfortable. I know that the red fox had 3 young kits. So I want you guys to be experts on scanning. So I want you guys to go back with a partner, and I'm going to hand out creature feature so you guys can practice scanning. And I want you guys to use your pointer fingers and your scanning eyes to find specific information to answer those specific questions. Okay, go off and do that. 3, 2, 1, talking is done and eyes are on me. So very good job with that. I know you guys are experts on scanning. So when you scan, we scan every day when we find specific information, such as the phone book, right? I know all of you use the phone book, so then we use the phone book to scan specific information like phone numbers, right? What about a glossary in a book? Right? We look through the back of the glossary to find specific words, right? So we use scanning every single day. And now that you guys are experts on scanning, I know you guys can scan well.